Welcome back to the Nailporn channel. My name is Kim, and in today's video, I am trying out the new Jelly Tip Starter Kit collection from the Kiara product line. Yay! Let me tell you, it was not easy doing my own nails. It was like wrestling with myself. I ran through some problems while working with the product, but I also found some ways to tackle with those problems. Yay! Anyway, please like and subscribe to my channel for more nail videos and tutorials. Love you. Bye. So I got this kit in the mail and I couldn't wait to do a tutorial with them. First, I want to say that I love the packaging. It is super cute and pink. The kit includes a jelly tip box with 500 pieces and medium stiletto. Kiara also offers 4 other shapes. I just happen to like stiletto because it is so chic and badass. The kit also comes with a 15 ml prep, prime, builder, gel, and top coat. Oh, I forgot to mention, it also comes with the Beyond Pro Flash Cure Mini Lamp. Inside the package, you will find a pamphlet of a full written instructions on how to apply the product. Let's begin with some nail prep. After washing my hands and fully sanitized, I'm going to start with pushing back my cuticles. I'm also going to file and shape the free edges of my nails so that when I apply my tips, the natural nails aren't sticking out. I'm using a 180 manicure file. It is more gentle for the natural nails. I'm using an E-file and my angular cuticle diamond bits. I'm going to clean the cuticles free of particles and remove the shines from my natural nail. I'm focusing on the cuticle and the edges of the nails, more so to prevent lifting problems. I like to use a cuticle bit or a diamond bit around the cuticle area because it is more gentle to the skin. If you're new to using an E-file, I recommend investing in a diamond bit so you won't cut the skin. Brush off the excess dust on the nails and wipe off any shine and oils with some alcohol. You wouldn't want any moist or oil residues on the nails. Products don't stick too well. So let's size the nail tips. Try to perfectly match the nail beds to the jelly tips. The jelly tips should perfectly fit from the left wall to the right wall of the nail. You wouldn't want to see any gap. Take your time to perfectly match the nail tips. Nail tips that do not match up perfectly oftentimes lift faster or break faster because it lacks in support. I have all my jelly tips perfectly sized up. Now let's begin building the nails. According to the instruction guide, apply 1 coat of prep to the natural nail. I do notice that the prep application dries almost instantly. Next, I'm going to apply 1 coat of primer to the natural nail. I love that Kiara numbered their bottles, making it easier to remember and follow. I noticed primer has a tacky finish layer, making it different from the prep application. Try to avoid touching anything at this point because you could pick up lint and dust on the nails. Using an E-file, lightly remove the shines from the inside of the jelly tip that will come in contact with the natural nail. I also filed the edge of the nails, making sure it perfectly fits the curvature of my cuticle. Check back with your instruction guide to make sure if you completed all the steps and maybe more. I'm applying a thin layer of jelly tip builder over my natural nails. And according to the instruction guide, cure for 30 seconds. I'm not sure if I was supposed to do this 1 nail at a time, but I'm going to just apply the builder gel to all 5 nails and I'm going to cure under my Kiara Beyond Pro lamp for 30 seconds. I'm applying a thin layer of builder under the jelly tip, the area that will come in contact with the natural nail. With my thumb, I am firmly pressing down on the jelly tips from the cuticle to free edge. Continue pressing down on the nail and do not let go. Cure in the mini lamp for 10 seconds. For my next nail, I'm going to add some drama to my nail set by dressing it up with some glitters. I am using the Sprinkle On collection from Kiara's Guide to glam up my jelly tips. For this technique, I'm using the top coat to adhere my glitters. I applied a thin layer of top coat to under the jelly tips. Using a liner gel brush, I carefully placed the confetti to the non-cured layers of the gel. Once I'm happy with the placement of the glitters, I cured in the mini lamp for 30 seconds. After curing the glitter nail, I apply another thin layer of top coat to seal off and protect the design. Cure for another 30 seconds. After curing, I repeated the previous steps with applying a thin layer of builder gel under the jelly tip, and I firmly pressed it down onto the ring finger and cured. I love this finished look. It looks very clean and flawless. So guys, one piece of advice, make sure you file off the number on the nail tip so it doesn't show when you finish with the nail set. So moving on to the next nail, I repeated the same procedure by dressing up the nail with more glitters using the top coat method and cured. Oh, and don't forget to protect the glitters from under the nail with a layer of top coat. The glitters could fall off and the glitters could feel very snaggy and bumpy without that extra layer of sealer. So after dressing up the nail with glitters, I moved on with applying a thin layer of builder gel under the jelly tip where it comes in contact with my natural nail. So guys, I repeated the same method all over again for each individual nail. When pressing down, make sure to remove any air bubbles. I had some difficulty figuring out how to best position my mini lamp to better cure my nail. I felt like I was wrestling with myself because I'm trying not to let go of the pressed nails while trying to position my fingers to cure under the lamp. So I found that the easiest way is to turn the lamp sideways. After curing for 10 seconds, cure all your nails an additional 30 seconds to fully dry the builder gel. The nails look finished and flawless. However, I don't like that the jelly tips didn't look blended with my natural nails. So I'm going to blend the edges and slightly fix the shape with my 100/120 grit file. You could skip this step entirely, but blending the nails will only prevent lifting and allow the nails to last longer. And of course, we're also defining the shape of the stiletto, making it extra edgy and badass. I'm really liking how this is coming out. It is 100 times easier than working with acrylics. I like to have my cuticles nice and flushed, so I'm going to clean the cuticles with my angular diamond bits. You can also use a carbide bits or any bits you desired. It's your preference. But if you're new to using a knee file, I recommend using a diamond bit or any cuticle bit. It is more gentle to work with. When filing around the cuticle area, take your time and slowly work in small sections as you carefully drill from left to right or right to left. When I file around the cuticle area, I take my time, slowly and gradually in small sections. I carefully drill starting from the right and move towards the left. I think my nails look great. What do you think of my method? If you like what I'm doing, please leave a comment. Would appreciate to hear your thoughts. Now let's remove the shine from the nails and finish up these bad boys. I'm using Someone Like Blue G621, a cobalt blue from the Kiara Guide collection to finish up my beautiful jelly set. This blue is everything, guys. Super vibrancy and full of life. Apply 2 layers of Someone Like Blue and cure for 30 seconds. And finish it off with a layer of top coat. I love how the jelly set feels while wearing it. It is super lightweight with no throbbing pain at all. Surprisingly, because I have tried other press-on systems, and the product would leave my nails throbbing for days. It hurt so much I wanted to yank my hair off. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but literally. So I'm going to finish up my set by adding some glam to these baby with some gems and crystals. If you want to see more on how I apply crystals, don't forget to watch my video on how to bling like Cardi B nails. So guys, it's the end of my video. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear more from me, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.